Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, your guys' favorite Rideshare Hub host, and today we are going to be talking about Lyft Lux and Lyft Lux Black. And we're going to be going into how much these drivers make, okay? If you are interested in maybe upgrading your car to start driving for Lyft Lux or Lyft Lux Black, or if you already have a car that qualifies and you want to start driving, be sure to keep watching if you're interested to learn more about how much you could potentially make. Also, if you end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos. Anyways, let's just get started. So if you don't know what Lyft Lux is or Lyft Lux Black, these are Lyft's premium ride options for passengers. So if you have a nicer car there are like different requirements that your car needs to have in order to be eligible to do these, but it needs to basically be like a nice black car with a black leather interior. You have to have certain driver requirements for like a minimum rating you have to have. You can't have gotten in any car accidents because they really just want to make this like a premium experience for the passengers, and the passengers are paying a lot more for these rides than a regular Lyft ride, so that's why they want them to have like the best experience. This is how much you could potentially make. Okay, I had to do a lot of digging, you guys, because there's not a lot of information about how much these Lyft Lux drivers make or Lyft Lux Black drivers make. So I was really like digging around trying to find stuff, and from what it looks like here, there's this one post that I found. This was from a year and a half ago. Okay, it's probably different now, and just take these numbers with a grain of salt, but basically they're saying that with Lyft Lux they were making $15 to $20 an hour and maybe around $180 a day. I don't know if that's with or without tips. They're saying a lot of people prefer an Escalade, so if you are thinking of upgrading your car to start driving Lyft Lux specifically, maybe you should consider getting an Escalade. And they're saying with Lyft Lux Black, they're making like $45 a day. Okay, not an hour, a day, because no one would be requesting rides like Lyft Lux Black rides. I guess it really depends on what city you live in. So if you're in a busier city like New York, LA, San Francisco, Boston, Chicago, like any like poppin' city, that there's probably going to be a lot more people and a lot more like wealthy people that are willing to spend that much more on a Lyft ride. It'd probably be more worth it to you and you probably get more rides, because there was this other person who also posted the day after saying that they did get a few rides in Beverly Hills, but of course that's Beverly Hills, so you know you're gonna have a pretty big influx of people who are very wealthy and are willing to spend that much money on a Lyft Lux or Lyft Lux Black. This person also said that they actually prefer Uber Black because Uber Black is a little bit more popular. Uber in general as an app is more popular than Lyft anyways. I know a lot of people use Lyft as like their secondary option if maybe there aren't any Ubers available, or if they want to check and see if the price is cheaper. But I know Uber is like most people's #1 option that they go to. So if you were thinking of Lyft Lux, maybe you should also try to sign up for Uber Black so you could have both, be on both platforms and have double the opportunity to get rides. Okay, I found this other post from someone, an actual Lyft Lux driver, who was saying that it seemed like it averaged out to about $10 per ride, and that's including like bonuses and tips and everything. But yeah, if you were wondering if your car is eligible to be a Lyft Lux car or Lyft Black car, then they have a whole list of things, a whole list of cars that are eligible on their website, so you can go check that out. Yeah, basically it's saying that it would be a car with a black exterior, black leather interior, 4 seats, and top rated experienced drivers. But if you want to do a black SUV, you need space for up to 6 passengers. Anyways, if you guys drive Lyft Lux or Lyft Black or whatever, and you're having a great experience, be sure to share that down below. Also, we have a Facebook group that you can join. We have a link in the description if you want to check that out. A lot of drivers will go on there just to rant or vent about their rides and their wages or whatever, or you know, share their earnings, share tips. So it's a really great community of drivers that are very active in there. I definitely recommend checking it out, especially if you're a new driver and there's a lot of things you want to learn. Also, again, be sure to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.